Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you an iMovie hack that allows you to use your video clips for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Right now, if you don't use these hacks, what'll happen, you'll have one of two problems. You'll either have only half the video or black bars on the side. I'm going to show you how to solve both those problems. If you like this video, hit that subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Let's jump into it. Okay, from your home screen, you're going to go to iMovie. From here, you're going to click that plus, create a new project. From there, you're going to click on Movie. And from here, it's going to have you pick your clips. So I'm going to pick 3 clips right there. And then at the bottom, I'm going to click Create Movie. And see how it cuts off the vertical? All it shows is my head. So here's the hack. You click on that box, and now notice in the top right below that question mark is a little magnifying glass with a plus. Click on that, and now you pinch the screen to zoom it, and now you have a vertical video. You move on to the next one, pinch to zoom again, vertical video, and then the next one, we're going to do the same thing. Click on it, magnifying glass, pinch to zoom. I also recommend that you get rid of those transitions. They don't work as well on shorts. I feel like they waste time, but we're not quite done yet. We're going to click done in the top left-hand corner, but now you see we have the black boxes on either side. We actually want to get rid of that. So by going to the bottom in the middle, you're going to click the little arrow up to export it. And I'm going to, from here, I'm going to move the screen up and I'm going to click Save Video. Now it's exporting that video into my photos. We'll head there next. Okay, now I'm going to go to my photos and I'm going to pick the video. And as you can see, we have those black bars on the side that we don't like. So I'm going to click the Edit button right here. And now from here in the bottom right, you see the little crop button with the 2 little arrows around the square. I'm going to click on that. And from here, look all the way up to the top right. And there's a little square button. It's turning yellow. See, it's yellow now. That's what you want to click. Go back down to the bottom and you want to click right here. It says freeform right now. I want to click on 16 by 9. And then not only 16 by 9, I want to click right there. And boom, now we have a vertical video, great picture, and click done, and now it's preparing the video, and you are all set. Now you have a vertical video that you can use for YouTube Shorts, you can use it for TikTok. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, just give me a comment down below, and I'll make sure and help you out. Once again, if you like this, hit that subscribe and the thumbs up, and we'll see you soon. Make it a great day.